fair to say that AI is everywhere right now. If you scroll up and down on LinkedIn, it won't take you long before you come across an article or a webinar and companies touting the next big thing when it comes to AI. What we're seeing is that AI has been adopted in really cool areas of businesses, such as obviously marketing and customer services. And there seems to be a little more hesitation when it comes to pricing. There's obviously a lot of curiosity, a lot of interest, but pricing is definitely a core area within a business where methods tend to feel understood. It's very much the case of, if it's not broke, don't fix it. But what we work with all our clients, it's not about trying to fix things, it's about trying to improve and trying to give insight. When I joined the firm back at the beginning of March, I pretty much dove headfirst into the world of pricing and the broader world of AI. I think initially my experiences with AI are quite similar to a lot of the companies that we speak to, was pretty much limited to using the likes of ChatGPT for writing emails. But of course, with using ChatGPT for writing email, you still need to tell it what to do. It just obviously gives you a far better outcome when it comes to what you want to say and obviously how you want to present. A lot of my questions that I've been asking are very similar. A lot of my skepticism is very similar to obviously what we hear on a daily basis when we're having conversations, when we're starting to approach and actually look at how can AI drive and really help improve a business processes and efficiencies. Is AI going to take over my role? How do you make it stop? Can you make it stop? AI is only for large corporates, it's not for small SMEs like me. How can we trust it? How is AI going to work for me? How's it going to help me? If we look at, and I know that Vincent's already touched on it, a lot of companies are currently using Excel to obviously manage thousands of SKUs across multiple countries, multiple channels, etc. There's lots of different areas, lots of different personnel that are involved within pricing. You've got your pricing manager, your sales manager, your category manager, you've got the FD that's obviously tracking all of the performance against the bottom line. AI is smart, but it only responds to smart questions and smart questioning. What I have learned, though, is that AI is not going to take over. It's not a plug-and-play solution that will turn either your pricing strategy upside down or revolutionize your business overnight. And it's certainly not going to make anyone in pricing redundant. Pricing really helps to get that element of support. It can really help to support the pricing manager handle a lot of those daily laborious manual tasks or repetitive tasks, so that the pricing team or the category managers can really focus on more strategic areas and interesting aspects of data and also pricing. AI is a tool, it's an enabler. It isn't going to build your strategy for you, but it can obviously help you to execute it. It has the power to process vast amounts of data, far more than any human brain can or teams can collectively. It can help you to automate those daily tasks. But like with ChatGPT, it needs clear objectives to work efficiently. So then really the question doesn't become, what can AI do for me? It's really about, what are you trying to achieve? Do you want to get greater market share, higher margins? Are you trying to improve the efficiency? Once your business goals are clear and once your objectives are clear and once you've started to build that roadmap, it's really about how can AI support you and how can AI help you to improve the efficiency and obviously help you to achieve those goals more quicker. So the concept and the potential of AI isn't about transforming everything overnight. It's about empowering your teams, empowering the relevant departments within the business. It's about helping you to redefine all of your processes and allowing more focus and more time to really help you to achieve your objectives, be it either revenue growth and or margins.